Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Just update you the progress of our building construction work. If you watch my previous video, you will see the progress made on this particular video. So they have completed the block work to for the DPC. They have progressed to chaining level. This building contains about 31 pillars. After the block work was done, so the carpenter man came in, the pillars on each side, so they put another rod on the center and join it to the main pillar on the side. So then the carpenter man came in and put board on the side of each wall. So the engineer and the team, they mix concrete to fill it up. That board was filled up with the concrete to reinforce it. So on the center, there's a board on the center with mixture of concrete. When you do the foundation, started from the foundation, then you progress to filling up the trenches. Then after that, then you lay the block. After laying the block to some certain level, then you put rod on the center of it, then put plank on each side, then put concrete on top. They will do in the next couple of days is to refill the foundations each side and the center. Then we also need to get mud come and fill up the place before we finish up with the floor. So this job is doing the foundation to DPC, communication from the engineer, what they're doing, the carpenter guy doing his own work, the carpenter guy doing his own work, and also the iron bender. So all hands on deck. Also you will see the mason guy, the workman, everyone doing their own work. So in this video you will see the progress made. So this building got 31 pillars.
Yeah, we are now in the level of chaining of the DPC. We are now doing the chaining of the DPC and also marking the front walls of the DPC. This is the chaining level. We chain the DPC for reinforcement. And also the carpenter is they are doing the chaining, the fitting work, which is the iron work, and also the carpentering work. As you can see, the carpenter doing the front work of the chaining. This is the chaining work. Both the iron work and the carpentering work, and also the casting of the DPC. This is the filter man, the iron man. Iron must obey. That's all. The work is progressing. That's all. That's all. The work is progressing. The iron work. And this is the guy, the casting guy. Missing his concrete. Missing the concrete with stone and sand and water and cement.
Okay, the pinches. You can walk on in, maybe I will allow. Biaki will allow Arabaga.
Also, this one is the Filter man, which is the iron bender. Iron man, iron must obey too. So the work is progressing. By next tomorrow now, we enter the filling work of the foundation. Yeah, see the small engineer. Yeah, it's progressing. The DPC.
So that how we can make us so that when we came back to college, they feel the process. I'm gonna have the next step.
Okay. That is that. That is that.
And now if you know, I had an equivalent like that. Oh, if you know, I would.
This is the journey for DPC. Yeah.
So guys, yeah, so this is the update. You can see the progress made. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe. So we are documenting the journey, progress of building our home, slow and steady, win the rest. We are very much happy with the progress we are making